privilege to welcome you to the 28th Annual Crawford Contractor Connection Restore Conference.
When we come together, the best part of this week every year for me is getting an opportunity to spend time with you.
It's all about the people you know, and I don't care what you do in your business, we're only as valuable as the relationships and the people we have, and in order to build those, you got to put yourself out and show up at events like Restore.
Building relationships and meeting new people, that's always the best part of coming here.
Putting faces to names and actually shaking hands and having conversations either at lunch or in the hallways or in the breakout sessions, it's all really invaluable.
Take notes. Grab those nuggets of information that you can take home with you.
You always can learn something more, so I'm just trying to broaden my horizon and a little bit more knowledge.
I'm kind of like learning more of the intricacies of Contractor Connection, but also why it matters and why it's valuable.
I've been in this business for over 20 years, so anything new that I can pick up, I will take back with me.
One another through quality-focused, performance-driven partnership, we don't just lead this industry, we elevate it.
This is a really collaborative group so far. We've been talking about how our company's doing things, what everybody else is doing. Everybody's kind of bouncing ideas off, so it's a great opportunity to grow.
The insurance carriers had a lot of really good points about how we can work together and how we can grow and build things together.
You want to understand not only your side of the industry, but you need to understand the insurance side of everything as well.
It's been a great opportunity to ask questions of folks, just getting to pick people's brains and hear about what we can do to be a better partner to help facilitate that growth.
What's one word to describe working with Contractor Connection? Partnership.
I think it's consistent.
I would say definitely growth.
Exciting.
Invigorating.
Engaging.
Consistent.
Receptive.
Exciting.
Efficient.
Awesome.